We're looking now at traveling motion within the frontal plane, which is a directional movement that can become really quite challenging as we start to age. I'm holding again ankle tether and holding the band here in my opposite arm. I'm going to travel in this direction. So I'm just going to start off taking a side step and come back. And then once I'm happy with this movement, I'm still loading through here with the leg straps. I'm going to take a push and a reach. So it's a side step, push and reach. Variations I can do here would be with the distance of my foot direction. So if I take a super big step here, my center of mass is still very much within my base of support. I feel safe, but I'm getting some deceleration in my adductors here, which is good. And because I've still got the band on, I'm really having to load here in my abductors on this traveling side. If I have a smaller foot position, but still travel, I'm now taking my center of mass right to the edge of my base of support. So this is going to be more of a balance challenge for me. It also works my outside waist or obliques a little bit further. Now, another tweak you can do here to increase variability of motion is within the foot, so that we can have foot position parallel, turned out, and turned in. So the foot would be parallel, turned out. It's a little bit more work here. My glutes are in their shortened position, turned in. Very important, getting that hip internal rotation and maximum stretch of the glutes. So if we put that together, it would look like this. Turned out, turned in. Now, you might have seen when I was doing that, my foot lifted up as well. Because this is actually tethered to my ankle, it's not going to ping off and hit me in the face. So it's quite safe as I come through this. The motion is rhythmic, it's on and off. And because there's a lot going on here as well, I can really feel my heart rate going up. So from the anchor point, we're looking at the same movement. This is going to be a side lunge, press, side on, and return. Same tweaks, foot turned out, foot parallel, foot turned in. Now you can also tweak the height of the press. So you might want to come low, coming in, medium, coming in, high, coming in. Just be wary, especially if working with clients that are quite kyphosed. Their scapulars will sit more like this, so their push pattern needs to be within their peripheral vision, not back here somewhere where you're going to put too much stress on the front of the shoulder.